It's the official opening of the sensational building that we've called the Riviera Yacht Club. I think boating is all about family, and boating seems to forge an incredibly strong bond within families. Really, that generational aspect to boating is what this building is all about. As the Riviera Yacht Club has been created exclusively for Riviera owners, we thought it was only fitting that we asked one of our Riviera owners to officially open the building on behalf of our 6,000 family of Riviera owners around the world. So I'd like you now, please, to give a Riviera family a warm welcome to Barb and C. Yates.
Barb and I have been part of the Riviera family for almost 20 years. When we bought our new 6,000 sports yacht, we were lucky enough to see our boat being built. And during that time, we saw the care and the quality that Riviera puts into the boats that we get to use. We all know that owning a Riviera is a big investment. I believe Rodney understands this, which he shows with the passion and commitment that he has in not only continuing to build better boats, but also in improving the service and the experience to us as owners. The creation of this Riviera Yacht Club is another example of this commitment that Rodney and his Riviera team has to enhancing our experience as part of the Riviera family. Congratulations, Rodney, on this opening, and on behalf of all Riviera owners, we wish you all the best. Why would you buy a boat anywhere else? Thank you.
If you had to think about one particular memorable moment or time or experience that was all part of your Riviera family journey, what might that be?
We actually took off to the Whitsundays and lived on our boat for 3 months. It was just an absolutely fantastic experience. And they were there to show us just how wonderful it was to be a boat owner. And the fact that Riviera is not just a brand name, it really is a family.
A man that has the passion, the drive, and the desire to be nothing but the best. Would you welcome Rodney Longhurst, please?
This is pretty cool, everyone, and I want you to know the same sweat, tears, and drive that's gone into this Renault here is exactly what happens in our boats every single day. So we love to build, we love to create, but we can't do it without you buying our boats. So I'd like to thank you for joining us tonight, and I'd like to thank you for all your support. I am totally committed to giving you the great experience that we can with boating. That's our drive, to build something really spectacular that you can be extremely proud to own.